Hi everyone, welcome to Research MD. This is Dr. Pramil. I work as a Chief Medical Officer in the United States, also Associate Professor of Medicine. Today, we're going to look at another alternative medicine which can help you to decrease the blood sugar, okay? And then the name of that medicine is called Paneer Phool. And the chemical name is Withania coagulans. Okay, it's also known as like Rishyagandha. It's well known in Ayurvedic medicine in India and in the Chinese medicine also. So we're going to look at it today. How does it help to decrease your blood sugar? Okay, so when you take the food by mouth, it contains starch and sucrose. Okay, in the starch mainly you have like glucose molecules. With the help of alpha amylase enzyme, it's converted into maltose, which is a complex, combined glucose molecules. Okay, that is kind of broken down by alpha glucosidase into separate glucose molecules. Okay, and then that increases your blood sugar. That's where the blood when you check your blood sugar, it goes. So, in the other side, you got sucrose, which contain glucose and fructose. That's broken down by alpha glucosidase into glucose and fructose, and then glucose kind of enter into your blood sugar. That's the way it increases your blood sugar. Now, what does our alternative medicine does? It inhibits this alpha amylase. Okay, so what happened? This thing is kind of blocked right there, so not much glucose. Okay, this Paneer Phool inhibit alpha amylase. It also inhibits alpha glucosidase. Okay, two blocks it does. One block right here and one block right here, so glucose now formed. Okay, it blocks right here in the sucrose pathway. It blocks the alpha glucosidase and less glucose is formed. Okay, now let's look at the other pathway. You got food and you got oral glucose, and it goes into small intestine, and this incretin hormones. That stimulate the pancreas. You have glucagon-like peptide, glucose-dependent insulinotropic polypeptide, the GIP. With the help of that, it stimulates the pancreas, okay? And then increase insulin release, glucagon reduction, and reduces the blood sugar. Okay, because once you have the insulin, it helps the glucose enter into the cell, so it doesn't stay in the blood. So how does Paneer Phool kind of work on this pathway? The Paneer Phool, there is another pathway up here, like incretin. We got like dipeptidyl peptidase that make this incretin into inactive incretins. That's what it does, this DPP. So this Paneer Phool inhibit the DPP. Okay, so a lot of incretin is formed, and then you can have, blood sugar kind of goes down. So there's two pathways right here. Paneer Phool, the name is Withania coagulans or Rishyagandha. It block alpha amylase, it block alpha glucosidase, okay, to decrease the blood sugar. In this pathway, they work on this part incretin. Dipeptidyl peptidase, the enzyme right here, and this Paneer Phool inhibited, so a lot of incretin, so your blood sugar go down. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back with another presentation. God bless.